Good morning. I am so excited. It is so nice outside. It is amazing. I want it to be like this from here on out. Like, no more ugliness. I don't want it to be cold. I don't want any of it. I just want it to all go away. So I'm so excited that it is warm outside. I was like, yes, today is the day. We are going for warmth today. So with that being said, I have an amazing spring outfit for you that I have on. I am so excited to show you this. I was like so into dopamine dressing this morning. I was like, I just need this. I need it today. I needed all of it. I need the happiness and the sunshine in my life. So I'm bringing it today. We got a ton of new arrivals. We just keep getting them every day. I'm so excited. This and fall are like literally my favorite times of the year, just for like season changes, all the things. And then also because that's when we get the most inventory in, and like that's when we get all of the new stuff. And it's just like, you know, it's like what, like a caterpillar, like transitioning and then coming out as a butterfly. Like both of those like times of the year is just like this whole new change that it's happening. So I'm really excited about it. That being said, we also have the Sip and Stroll happening on March 7th. So not today, next Saturday. We are open 10 to 4. Although I need to check with that because I thought I saw Bourbon Cowgirl said 10 to 5. So maybe it is 10 to 5. I don't know. I need to like clarify on that. I thought it was 10 to 4. I don't know. Who knows with me? It's something like that. Either way, we'll be here whatever time it's supposed to be open. I thought it was 10 to 4. Maybe she got it wrong. Maybe I got it wrong. I don't know. I need to go look and correct myself if I'm wrong because I don't know. My brain just doesn't work sometimes. So too many things to remember. But Sip and Stroll next Saturday. I still have tickets, you guys. I have like 8 tickets left. So come buy your ticket. If you bought one November 8th, which was our first official Sip and Stroll, which sold out, and I had so many of you come in last minute looking for a bag because you wanted to participate because you saw how fucking awesome it is and how everybody was having fun and everybody was getting a free mocktail cocktail. Okay, so if you missed out, come get your bag. It is your ticket. You have to have this bag when you come to any Six Boutique on March 7th, next Saturday, 10 to 4. I will correct that if I'm wrong, which I might be. It's highly likely. So you have to have this. It's your ticket. Bring it in. You're going to get 15% off at all 6 boutiques, which is Bourbon Cowgirl, The Greatest Gift, myself, Miss Ruth's Time Bomb, the ClothesVine, and Sanctuary Boutique. And each of us are going to have a mocktail or cocktail for you. Again, you do have to have the bag to get the mocktail cocktail and to get the 15% off. So bags / tickets are $15. I know I have some left because I still got them in my hands. Don't be mad at me when you come in on the 7th and there aren't any left though, okay? So come get yours today. I'm open 10 to 3. I know, oh shit, I forgot to look at the group chat. I saw it was like happening and people were talking about what they had left, and I forgot to look again this morning to remind myself. I know Mrs. Time Bomb, I know she has some. I know for sure she has some left. I think still Sanctuary Boutique might, and the ClothesVine. So I think those were the ones that might have some left. Okay, so go check those if you're looking for a ticket, or you can come see me. I don't care. It doesn't matter. Just go get a ticket. Just go get a ticket so we can see you in next Saturday. I can't believe it's here already. I really can't. I just feel like it just goes so fast, especially this time of the year when everything's so new and exciting and changing, and the weather's good and the clothes are amazing, and I just get so excited. So that is next Saturday. Free mocktail cocktail, 15% off. Bring your ticket in. If you still need one, come in and buy one. They're $15. Again, last time I had people looking for them and we were all sold out. So don't be that person. Don't miss out. I want you to enjoy it and have a good and fun day too. So we are open today 10 to 3. I'd love to see you. Come get your ticket. Check out all of our new arrivals. I'm going to talk about what I have on now. I know you've been waiting patiently for that. You're like, God, just shut up and get to the outfit, please. So I only have one of these left. These sold out so fast. This is from Pole. It is a 1 size. I would say easily up to an extra large. There's still a good bit of room in there for that one. But it's very oversized. I mean, it's obviously see-through, so you're going to want to wear something underneath it. I don't care what you wear underneath it. You can wear your bra, you can wear a bathing suit top, you can wear a tank like I did, you could do a brami, a sports bra, but you might want to wear something underneath it. It is a very light blush pink. It's so beautiful. It's very soft. It's a very soft feeling one, kind of like this one. This one was a thicker one because it was more like a transitional wear. This one's definitely more into the spring feeling, which is why I wore it today, because it's feeling like spring out there. I'm manifesting that it's just going to come early and we're just going to be all done with this winter stuff. So I have that on. It is the Palm, I know it's Palm something crocheted top. It's on the website. It's on the app. If you can't make it in the store, I have one of these left. I only see one, and it's on my mannequin in the window. So it is so cute. It's more of like a 3/4 sleeve. You can see it doesn't go down real long, which I love. You know, I tend to like push them up this way. I don't know why. I don't know if it was like all the years of hairdressing, because like that was just like you did that so you didn't ruin all your clothes, even though you still ruined all your clothes. But that was on the website, the app. I think I have like one of these left, maybe two. It's in a small medium. They come in small medium or medium large. I could do either one. It didn't really matter. They're very stretchy. It's a seamless tank. It's the reverse seamless tank, I think is what it's called. It's on the app, the website. It's in like a plum kind of mauve color. And then this is what I'm so super excited about. There's actually an extra thing with this that I don't have obviously on my pants right now that I have on. These are from Ollie and Hali. I know how much you guys love these as much as I do. They come in small through extra large. I have a medium on. I'm a size 6'8". It just depends. I'm more of an 8 right now. This, I still have room. You do have a drawstring here. There isn't any like elastic or anything like some of the other ones that they have. There isn't that, but there's plenty of room in it. But look at how cute they are. Aren't they perfect for spring? Oh my gosh, I just love them so much. So these are a barrel style pant, but these, again, like I am not really into the ones that like go way out. So these I feel like are good in between these ones and the ones from Erin and Amber. Those ones are also like less like flared out. So I like both of their kind of style barrel pants from them, each company, just because they're not so over exaggerated. And then these do have pockets. They got large pockets on the front. They are a medium to light wash because they do have the lighter wash down the front. And then I don't know if there is on the back, a little bit. And then they have florals here all over. Look at how cute this is. And look at how perfectly this matches. I really was not planning this. And I'm like, wow, that just worked out so well. Good morning, Megan. It's actually warm here. Not as warm as it is there, probably. So it does have the drawstring. It is a zipper fly with a button. And then look at this. I didn't even know this when I got this. It comes with 2 different belts, like 2 different drawstrings that you can put in here. I have the pink one on today because, you know, that's like what my look was today. Also, check out my new Converse. I'm so excited. Got these yesterday. It's supposed to be, you know, like all about wrestling yesterday. I did go to my wrestling tournament for my kid, but we may have made a pit stop. And I may have gotten some shoes for myself because I was like, I need these for all of my fun outfits. So I did get those and I was like, this is perfect. Like how, and I got home and this was on my doorstep. I was like, this could not have been planned better. Like seriously. So these are new, small through large. They're going to be out in the shop today. They come with the 2 belts. So you get a green one and you get a pink one. I'm not going to lie, I mostly would do the green one, but I wanted to wear my purple Converse and then I figured, I don't know, I just felt like the green, I don't know, just wanted to do the pink one, okay, today. I don't have a reason, I just did the pink one, okay? Right? I love this outfit so much, Megan. I am so excited about it. So small through large, I have a medium on, size 8 is what I am, and like I have a little bit of extra room in it. They fit perfect, honestly. So come in and see us. We are open today, 10 to 3, new arrivals. I can't wait to talk with you. And if you have any questions or need help with anything, feel free to reach out.